like 1,000 pesos.
Huh? You're saving, you're saving all the 14,000? Hold on. You're saving all the 14,000?
Yes. Yeah.
Kuripot na kayo, Nay?
Oo. Wala na siya kakaon sa guwa, ya. Dinas balay. No, me and Dave buy, we buy, kahit hindi siya gali.
Lovey-dovey, you have no shoes. Do you want me to bring your shoes in?
No, it's
Why?
fine.
Hey, when your dad arrived, he's gonna be here anytime. You come this door, okay?
This door?
Yeah, this door. Alright?
Okay.
Then I'm gonna put your phone on your charger in your bag as well. Right, Lovey-dovey?
Right.
Okay. Don't go too far. Just stay here around, okay?
Okay. I will not go past the driveway.
Got it. I'm gonna open the pineapple.
Okay.
Okay guys, bubuksan natin yung pineapple. Hindi ko alam kung marunong ako. Matagal na ako hindi nakapagbukas ng ganito. We'll see.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one, 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 one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one, 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 one.
So, ito na po. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Kung masarap. Alam niyo ang pinaka-heart nito? Yung pinaka-gitna. Usually tinatapon natin. Alam niyo dito malakas ang vitamins. Gusto ko ng asin. So, eto, lalagyan natin ng asin. Mas masarap may asin. Yan. Nagbabalanse. So, medyo makulimlim po ngayon sa Illinois. Tsaka umulan ng malakas kaninang umaga. So, wala tayong activity ngayon. But, may avocado pala ako. And, may apple ako. Magsishare ako mamaya. Okay guys, tingnan natin kung mahalo-halo ko itong mga pagkain ngayon. Puro prutas tayo today. Kasi kagabi, puro tayo meat, steak, ganun. Okay. Dahil tayo ay mag-isa. Mag-isa tayong kakain. Dahil wala si Zoe, ako na lang mag-isa. Kakain tayo mag-isa. Walang may magre-review. Need ko mag-review si Zoe. Pork chop po ng Aldi. Masarap po siya. So, marinate ko lang sa toyo, sa rice wine vinegar, salt, pepper, then a little bit of honey, tsaka lahat po ng sauce, nilagay ko sa pan hanggang sa mag-simmer po at mawala yung sauce. So, na-absorb po ng meat yung marinate po natin. Masarap. Para siyang adobo na para siyang tocino. So, pag wala siya, wala tayong gana. Monday ng gabi ko pa po siya makikita. Ang saklap. Pero, alam ko masaya siya. Kaya, okay lang sa akin. Wala din dito ang panganay ko pumunta sa kaibigan. Mayroon daw silang bonfire. So, ako lang. Ayan ang kinakain ko beans. Then, meron akong sausawan. Sasawsaw ko lang yan. Masarap. Good morning, guys! It's another day. Today is Sunday. Wala po si Zoe. Mag-isa po tayo dito sa bahay kasi si Angel ay nagtatrabaho. Then, walang Zoe since yesterday. So, eto, ako ay mag-isa. Tayo po ay kakain ng brunch, breakfast at saka lunch. Meron tayong oversized coffee mug dito. Oh my God! Dito na lang tayo babawi. So, nilagyan ko ng whipped cream yung coffee ko. And, also, meron po tayong leftover sa niluto natin kagabi na na pork chop. So, eto po ang ating brunch for today. If you notice, ito po yung mga na-harvest ko ng mga cherry tomatoes sa ating tomato sa kabila. So, it is a 1 cup rice. 1 cup rice, dahil hindi pa wala ang rice. Okay, brunch po natin to. Then next, kakain tayo mamayang gabi na. Para na hindi tayo lulubo ng gusto tayo magbawas ng bilbil. Gusto ko na magbawas ng bilbil kasi ang laki na ng bilbil ko. Kasi pagka sa Pilipinas na naman ako ng December, lalamon talaga ako ng lalamon. Ayan, ito si Melo nakaantay na kasi naamoy niya yung pork chop ko. Ayan guys, kamusta po kayong lahat? Ay, naku po, wala po tayong masyadong activity ngayon, kundi maglaba, maglinis, maglaba at maglinis at magtupi. Magtutupi ng mga damit. Yan. Ang anghang. Manghang yung sausawan ko. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Ay, kaya pala guys, ito, meron pala akong sasabihin sa inyo. Nakausap ko yung anak ko, nag-video call kami. She seems like super happy. And she seems like, she's just like, she adjusted a little bit. So, tumatawa na siya, then nakakaintindi na siya ng Ilonggo, pero hindi pa siya makapagsalita. So, eto, dalawa kami ng nanay ko. Tinatanong ko yung nanay ko kung kuripot po ba, naintindihan pala niya. So, sabi ko, ayan na, hindi na kayo pwedeng salita na maintindihan niya na kayo. So, kung may sinasabi kayong masama, maintindihan na kayo. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung conversation namin. And then, nagpapabili siya ng steak. Sabi niya, Mommy, I miss the steak. So, pinalang ko ng pera. Pumunta sila ng SNR para mag-grocery. Then, kailangan niya ng protein milk. Kasi hindi wala siya masyadong intake ng protein. Sabi niya, I'm tired of eating eggs every day. Egg kasi parati binibigay ng lola. So, kailangan niya ng protein shake para na, mag-balance din yung diet niya. Then, pinadalan ko ng vitamin D. Although na maaraw sa Pilipinas, pero kasi ang gising is alas 9 ng umaga. Inaano siya, niyayaya siya magpa-araw sa umaga. Sabi nga, nag-a-adjust pa rin yung tulog niya. But I think, kasi may schedule siya sa doktor. So, ibubuhos out namin yan kung anong magandang gamot na hindi siya, yung parang hindi siya, yung mag-a-adjust yung tulog niya, tsaka hindi siya malalawsi everyday. Kasi, yung gamot na ininom niya ngayon, pag ininom niya, let's say, ininom niya ng umaga after breakfast, mag-ano po siya, mga 3 hours, she's feeling so weak, na parang fatigue, na ayaw niyang gumalaw at gusto niya matulog. So, I want something na replacement sa ganyan, na hindi, ang side effect hindi ganyan, para na-active siya. Kasi pagka nasa school siya, naku, ano ba naman ang oras ang school ng Pilipinas, alas 7:30. Late po yan. So, naghahanap kami ng alternative ng gamot niya. So, hopefully, mayroon sa Pilipinas. Hopefully, maganda. Iisa lang daw ang psychologist sa Pinas, sa Bacolod, na pinuntahan nila. They went to Doctor's Hospital, Riverside Hospital, naghahanap ng mga specialist in her case. Isa lang ang doktor na batid daw sa lugar namin. So, medyo fully booked siya all the time. So, kailangan namin i-take advantage yun. Kasi, baka mamaya, 3 months na naman siya makapag-booking. No. Yan, guys.
What was that? Bacon.
Steak, bacon, the Nestle milk, chocolate, protein shake, a lot of those.
Meat.
A lot of meat.
A lot of meat. It's cheaper to go. It's cheaper to go to the butchery. I will get the steak.
Bye.
Hey, can you teach Lula how to?
I don't want to spend like 1,000 pesos.
Huh? You're saving. You're saving all that 14,000.
What? Why? You said we're expensive.
No, there is a package deal. Ask Dane. Dane knows the package. There's like a travel agent who can do your package. Oh, wait a minute. I think I can.
I want to go on a jet ski. Just kidding.
No. Hold on. You're saving all the 14,000?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kuripot na kayo, Nay?
Oo. Wala na siya kakaon sa gwa, ya. Dinas balay.
No, me and Dave buy we
Kahit hindi siya gali. Do you understand?
they think I don't understand, but I understand a little bit.
Kahit hindi siya gali.
Okay, bacon, steak, protein drink. Can you teach Lula Ami how to cook the pasta that I make?
Which one?
I will get the sausage, the Italian sausage ones, and then just the basic ones that I cook with the
You teach me how to cook, ha? You teach me.
plus the vodka sauce.
Okay, can you get me CeraVe face moisturizer?
What is it?
Yeah.
Fish mask?
No, this.
Ay.
The CeraVe moisturizer.
Moisturizing lotion.
You want the lotion or you want the face one?
The face one for my face.
Mm. Give me one.
Okay, duha para kay Lula isa.
Wow. Ano pa? Sige.
Can you get me they have this little small towels to wash my face.
Towel. Okay.
Not
What's
the big
that?
one.
What's that? The makeup remover or just the towel? Just the towel.
Oh, I do need a cleanser. I just been using soap.
You wanna just go shopping by yourself instead?
No.
If I send the money, you go.
Mm.
Go bring Lula. No?
I don't go.
Mahal man to sa SNR.
Di kaya rata iya kinapangita.
Dollar man to. Sa SM, no? You have
I don't know.
SM?
I don't know.
No, sa
Mm.
SM ang ilang protein milk powder. Kinanlan niya
Powder.
sang almond milk.
Okay. Ato na sa SNR?
Oo.
Oh,
Pikapon,
they have it. Mommy, they have it. It's the way chocolate powder. They
where?
had a big bag. Oh, get it last time.
Where in SNR?
Mm-hmm.
Because in
It's
SNR,
the
way, the brand is
way the
like,
WHEY. The chocolate one.
okay. What's this? The face
That's all
towel?
I can think of.
The face towel, the wipes, or
Just a face wash towel, like the small square one.
I wash towel.
The small square ones. Because I just been using my hands and it's annoying.
you mean the rag?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna get anything I can get.
Okay. Happy birthday lang na ka, Angel.
Ato na si Angel, nagubra aga para alas 7 sa aga.
Ha? Sa din?
Gubra na sa? Grocery
Oh,
store?
abi ko makaon ka mo. Abi ko makaon ka mo.
Kagabi ito, ya.
Ang sus. Kagabi
Like
mo to
a-
galing nga picture ni.
Oh, like, how do you like the modernized Jeep? What's the experience? Is it a bus?
Sabi.
It's not like the bus at all. Like you're literally like squished like a sardine.
How many are you? Pila ka mo pungko sa isa ka bangko?
Katindugan ay sila ni Din kay buta na ng modernized halin sa SM. Tindog sila puli. Di ba? Standing nga mo, di ba?
Pero aircon?
Oh, aircon.
Yeah.
Better? Okay, I will try to do this and then I'll let you know. I'll let you know if you can pick them up tomorrow. Are you guys going away?
Oh wait, tomorrow they're taking me to the mountain.
Nagaw sila ni Mabil, ilagaw sa dito sa mga bukid.
Okay, so pick up on
We'll be back like 3. They said.
3 in the afternoon. So on your way back, you can pick it up. I'll check, okay? Okay. Okay na. Oh, Zoe!
Ay, dili. Oh,
Zoe,
Zoe.
say goodbye to Mama Like now.
Bye, Mom. Like
I love you. I love you. Wow.
why you all suddenly got these cool gadgets the second I leave?
Naman ang Laika will say bye.
Bye, Mom. Like
What's that? You barely
Bye.
talk. You barely talk.
Zoe.
You
Bye.
barely talk.
No. Bye, Mom. Like
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye. Chara. Love you, Zoe.
Oh, sa tiara. Ang inyay dayag. It's Tiara. Keep talking to you.
Fulog na si Chara.
Tulog na sa Tiara.
Kaya pangimon na siya kung dili ko kay Laika. Pangimon sa.
Now.
Di kay nang wala ko na sa ginasapak. Pangakig sa.
Tapos, good.
Sige, basta Boracay kami
Kasupot sa daw.
Yay! Boracay kami dua.
Yeah, you're gonna need my photography.
Ha?
Tapos ano na, si Dane niya, bilin niyo.
O, dalo na mo si Dane kasi siya ning interpreter.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She barely understands yeah.
Siya ning interpreter kay hindi ko ni kaintindi siya ginawang bangal. Kautod lang ng mga singahan ko.
Bisan hinahinayo niya kambal.
Ako kaisa kaintindi ko, kung kaisa hindi dyan.
Si Den kay sagad na magpailo-ilo, kabalunan na si Den magpaburakay.
Ate sila lagwa eh.
What? No. No.
Hindi na magsubot dan on yung kiko.
How much do you think is going to Boracay?
I don't know.
Have you searched?
I know the beach. What?
Do you know the prices?
What?
Do you know the prices?
You know na? How much hotel?
But the hotels, last time I checked them, they were like under like $60 per night.
Go with there's like a package in the travel agent site. I think when you go to Robinson, there are travel agents out there that you can check how much is per package. Like 3 days and 2 nights or kind of like that. You can go and check it. Because I checked some of the packages. It's not bad. But you will be like a backpacker.
Pag-finish na lang sa mascara at saka and birthday, din birthday. No?
November.
November.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your money is big money ka na. You have 30,000. Now it's 14,000.
Grabe ka kuripot.
Grabe ka tago yun.
Wala ka mo kabakal turo-turo ni Dane ng barbecue.
Wala pa. Kaya si Dane wala time. Busy si Dane.
Grabe si Dane, nag-juggle do. Pila ka schedule lang yung kay Dane.
4 o'clock ang ano ni Dane. Go home ni Dane. Tapos kita ay sila sa Gaisano.
Nadulong mo sa Gaisano?
Ginadulong ko sa Gaisano. Tapos si Dane na lang ano sa iya. Uli.
Hmm.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, sige, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, dahil tayo ay nakapaglabanan, nakapaglinis, at mag-isa pa rin tayo. Okay, so hindi nyo po alam, ako po ay, minsan pag nai-stress ako, nagko-crochet or kahit na anong ginagawa ko. Actually, I have like a Cricut printer downstairs. Minsan nag-design ako, tsaka wala lang, laro-laro lang, pangpalipas stress. Ganyan po ang aking ginagawa. So ngayon, dahil sa it's been a month na hindi ko siya tinapos, itong chunky blanket po to na ginawa ko. So tatapusin natin ngayon. Tingnan ko kung matatapos ko to. I'll show you how I make it. So, ayan, ang ingay, ang ingay ng washer ko sa baba. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ako nahinto last time. So, pang blanket po to ngayong winter. Ayan siya, oh. Diba? So ito ay dalawang roll pa lang po to ang naano ko, nagamit. So mayroon akong dalawa pa dito. Tingnan natin kung kasya sa isang blanket. So gagawin natin ngayon. Mahirap lang kasi wala akong magandang stand para ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. But you will see them in TikTok, in other platforms. Makikita rin inyo rin naman siya. Tingnan ko. Okay, so dito ako nahinto last time. So ang gagawin ko lang po ay yung iba, ginagano nila. So wala akong lighter. So tatali ko lang siya. Then after ko siyang matali, insert ko lang siya sa loop kung saan ako tumikil. So ayan guys. Ay, teka, mali. Ganyan. O, tama. So, tatali natin dyan. Just make sure na hindi siya loose. So, ayan guys, gagawin natin. And make sure na pantay-pantay lang po yung ano nyo, yung loop natin. Ganyan. Then itatago ko yung isa sa likod. Madali lang naman siyang maitago pagka nasa taas na kayo dito. Teka nga, hindi makikita masyado. Ay! Patay tayo. Ayan. Pwede na. So, yan. Kung gusto niyo siyang masyadong kung gusto niyo siyang loose, mas habaan niyo pa yung loops ng ganito. So, kailangan lang talaga pasensyosa kayo dito kasi pag hindi niyo siya matatapos. Kaya ako, pwede niyo siyang actually tapusin ng mga 2 hours. Pag wala kayong ginagawa. Ako, ginagawa ko to pag nanonood ako ng YouTube. Kaso, sumasakit ang likod ko, kaya ganyan. Oh, di ba? Magandang pang negosyo to kung wala kayong ginagawa sa bahay. Especially ngayon, magwi-winter na dito. So, yung iba, binibenta nila to ng mahal. Mahal siya kasi time consuming po siya, tsaka hindi din mura yung yung itong materials, tsaka yung labor mo pa. Siguro pag ibebenta ko to, it is, kasi yung material mo nasa 30 plus na. Siguro mga 60, 75 bucks. Yung iba binibenta nila ng 150. Yung iba pa nga nagpapa-special order pa yan eh. Yan. Diba guys? Pwede siya pang regalo pagka may newborn. Yan. Kung gusto niyo siyang hindi siya loose, liitan nyo lang yung loops. So make sure yung mga loop nyo is parehas lang po yung length. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-end. So, keep going until you reach the end. Yan siya, diba? Then, ganun ulit. So, ang ginawa ko, diba ganyan siya? So, kumuha ulit ako sa taas. Another loop. Ayan, guys. Then, balik tayo dito. Kailangan lang nasa counter ka. Wala akong counter, kaya dito ako sa table. Ganyan. So, ang ginagawa ko pagka nagsisimula pa lang, para na hindi ko mawala. Hindi po maglulus. Kinukulik ko muna siya. O, diba? Ayan na. So, kinukulik ko siya para na magpantay-pantay siya. At saka hindi ko mahila ng malakas yung kabila. Medyo complicated siya tingnan, pero talagang madali lang siya pag-aralan, guys.
All Time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and does more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget. I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. The last so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. Try to find things in a new set, but late at night I look for those I will never get. Symptoms of my sickness always fade and come back. I wonder how we could have met. Everyone is telling me it's late to complain, 'cause now the games are over, I'm just wrecking with pain. Cages, a lot of cages to subside, it's so vain to say. The hardest words to understand, alas so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come, I felt so young, and never call the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Distance, we've got distance to blame. Anytime it blows your mind, distances can put on a flame. A loving God that's far.
Ay. Okay, so bumalik tayo dito. Good. Malapit na matapos. Oh, baka gusto nyong bumili ng mga ganito. Kunwari may oras, ano? Mahal to sa TikTok. Kasi nga naman mabusisi siya gawin. Talagang kailangan may pasensya ka gawin. Kasi pag wala kang pasensya, hindi mo sa matatapos. Kagaya sa akin. Mga 1 buwan na hindi ko sa tinapos. Kaya ngayon na mayroon akong oras, tatapusin natin. Tingnan natin kung gaano to kalaki pagka natapos na.
But late at night I look for those I will never get. Symptoms of my sickness always fade and come back. I wonder how we could have met. Everyone is telling me it's late to complain, 'cause now the games are over, I'm just wrecking with pain. Cages, a lot of cages to subside, it's so vain to say. The hardest words to understand, alas so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come, I felt so young, and never call the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. that's so easy to pretend. But everything will ask for an end. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love.
Nice! Tayo ay magre-relax today. Meron tayong massager dito. Mamaya, imamassage natin yung paa natin. Diba? Tayo po ay manonood ng Netflix. Meron po tayong ilang oras. Ang sarap. Ganito lang tayo. Wala si Zoe eh. Mag-i-spa day tayo sa bahay. Hindi ko tinapos yung Hindi ko tinapos yung blanket kasi ang sakit sa likod. Ayan guys, ang laki na ng blanket. Hindi ko sa tinapos. Kaya mamaya na. Manonood tayo ng Netflix ngayon. Ngayon lang to. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang maganda. Uy, Emily in Paris. Meron na siyang new episodes. Oh. Give me some suggestions to watch. Gusto ko yung mga binge watching. Guys. Okay, para maganda to ah. Tingnan natin kung yung maganda yan. And guys, magre-relax tayo and then magkakape at kakain tayo ng coconut cluster. Coconut po siya. Para tayong reyna ngayong araw na to. Tapos bukas mag-i-stress ulit. Kasi beginning of the month. Ang sarap. Ang sarap sa likod ng massager, oh. Ayan guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin, sa mga support nyo po, sa mga comments, everything. Sa lahat po ng mga new subscribers, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. See you po in my next vlog. Okay guys, thank you. Have a great Sunday to everyone. Bye!